Right now, a former probation officer is behind bars in Orange County, accused of helping drug traffickers avoid getting caught.
Investigators say that she used her access to a confidential database to tip them off. WESH 2's Bob Hazen is live at the Orange County Jail. Bob, she wasn't even supposed to be able to get into that system.
Yeah, in fact, it looks like the state agency that she worked for screwed up and didn't cut off her access to that system, even after she was fired 4 years ago. And that let her see secret information that only law enforcement is supposed to see. Now, the sheriff's office gave us this video of that suspect, 32-year-old Crystal Lawson, being taken to jail. She used to work as a juvenile probation officer, and while on that job could log into a system that contains active arrest warrants and documents. Detectives say they started investigating a group trafficking fentanyl last year, and they realized that someone was leaking secret documents to members of that group, possibly warning them that the cops were looking for them. They say they checked the database and found someone logged in as Lawson had searched up those members' names, and they say one person connected to that drug ring was Lawson's father. Her arrest report says, quote, Lawson's own father bragged to the drug trafficking organization members that his daughter could find out when people had warrants. They also say her actions had consequences, and quote, these leaks resulted in lost evidence, unrecovered assets, and at least one flight to avoid arrest or prosecution. Lawson only worked for the State Department of Juvenile Justice for about 8 months back in 2022, so her access to that system should have been cut off long ago, but investigators say, quote, the department made an apparent clerical error upon her termination and did not terminate her CCIS access or notify CCIS of her termination. And the reports say at least one lawyer also got access to those secret documents. Lawson is now here at the Orange County Jail facing more than 100 criminal charges related to that unauthorized access to that system. Her bail is set at more than $1.1 million. She should go in front of a judge here later on today. Covering Orange County, live in Orlando, Bob Hazen, WESH 2 News.